Hey, I received my year-end bonus and hike. Well then, it's time to go for shopping or vacation. Not really. What if I tell you that you can grow your wealth and secure your financial life by spending your bonus smartly instead of spending it on shopping or vacation? Watch this video till the very end to know the 7 smart ways to utilize your bonus or hike to have a better future. Hi everyone, I am Prarthana from Clear. It is India's largest tax and financial services platform. Clear serves more than 6 million tax filers. Do subscribe to our channel to support us and get to know more about financial concepts and investments. You may have availed a personal loan or credit card debt to purchase an asset. Repay this debt with your year-end bonus rather than pay the minimum amount due on the credit card. Prepayment of a loan or credit card debt will help you minimize what you currently owe and save you from heavy interest payments. The interest rates for a personal loan usually ranges from 15% to 17% per annum, and the interest rate for credit card debt ranges from around 24 to 35% per year. For example, if you have unpaid credit card bills of Rs 3 lakh and the card issuer charges you an interest of 30% per annum, you will have to pay Rs 90,000 as interest every year. This is a considerable amount of money. Thus, the best way to avoid high interest costs is to pay off the debt using your bonus or hike as soon as possible. Plus, repaying expensive loans at the earliest with an year-end bonus or hike provides and improves your credit score. Building an emergency fund is essential as it helps you during any financial crisis. An emergency fund comes to your rescue to tide over any unforeseen situations such as medical emergency, business loss, loss of a job, or even an unpredictable lockdown imposed due to corona. Use your year-end bonus or hike to create an emergency fund by investing in liquid funds that offer a higher return than a savings bank account. An emergency fund must be such that you can withdraw your investment within a few days during a financial emergency. For example, you could invest in liquid mutual fund or a sweep in FD to create your emergency fund. Imagine having a retired life pursuing your hobby without worrying about finances. You can turn this imagination into a reality when you secure your financial life after retirement. And the best way to do it is to start creating a retirement fund as soon as possible. Start investing early and make additional contributions to develop your retirement corpus. Contribute as much as possible to create a sizable retirement corpus to sustain without a regular flow of salary. Invest a part of your bonus or hike for making your retired life smooth and comfortable. I am sure you will have short and long-term goals such as buying a car or home, going on a vacation, funding your child's education, etc. You can achieve all your life goals when you start investing early. Contribute to your investments or start new investments with your year-end bonus or hike to attain your financial goals faster. For example, you can invest in equity mutual funds through SIP, that is a systematic investment plan to achieve your long-term financial goals if you are an aggressive investor. You can invest the year-end bonus in PPF, NSC, debt funds or bank FDs if you are a conservative investor. Is the investment for achieving financial goals making sense? If it is, write clear in the comment section below. Do let us know what topics you would like us to cover in our future videos. A salary increase usually means an increase in your income tax liability. However, you can decrease your tax liability by increasing your tax saving investments. Two popular tax saving investments are Equity Linked Savings Scheme Mutual Funds or ELSS and National Pension System or NPS. Plus, ELSS and NPS provides you with the dual benefits of tax saving and long-term capital appreciation. You should invest in ELSS when you have not yet reached the 1.5 lakh limit under Section 80C. Beyond the rupees 1.5 lakh limit, you can further reduce your tax liability by investing in NPS by making additional investments up to rupees 50,000 in a financial year. By investing rupees 2 lakh totally in ELSS and NPS in a financial year, you can reduce your annual tax liability by up to rupees 60,000 if you are in the highest tax bracket of 30%. Take up a term life insurance plan with your year-end bonus or hike and secure your family's financial life. It is a low-premium life insurance plan with a mortality cover. Thus, it ensures your family has the money to enjoy current living standards in case of the policyholder's untimely demise within the policy term. You can avail of a health insurance plan instead of depending on employer insurance cover. You have a family floater plan that covers the entire family against hospitalization expenses during a medical emergency. Moreover, you spend only a tiny portion of the bonus or hike on term life insurance and health insurance premiums. What's more is that when you time the insurance purchase according to the bonus or hike cycle, you can ensure that you will have the extra money to pay your premiums on time without bearing additional costs on your monthly budget. You can use the year-end bonus or hike to take up a career-enhancing skill such as a computer course, public speaking, or financial programs. These skills will help you increase your salary. You can also use the bonus or hike to pursue your hobbies. It will help you grow in your professional as well as personal life. So folks, that is it for today. You can start investing your bonus or hike in mutual funds and ELSS by downloading the Black app by ClearTax from the link given in the description box below. Download the Black app as it will help you grow your wealth and invest wisely. You won't regret it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more finance related content. Thank you. Take care.